Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma mentakasni ulapin ko buram miki nyaupongut ki Deputy Superintendent of Police Probationers na ke Jela Assam but Mizoram haka passing out period jongka 54th basic course trainees hadian bakila pendep ya ki jinghikai na North East Police Academy umsau shwabakin lej ban shimti pat ya kakam shaki Jela la jong na pedeng kita ki nyaupongut ki police officer ki bala syapin ko buram mentakas ngi riu pu arngut ki dina Jela Assam bat prangut ki dina ka Jela Mizoram bat ki dan arpongut ki kentai bat san pongut ki shinrang hakatai kasngi la sakhiru da ka jingdon lang udanish rana director NEPA ki he pulit na ka Jela ki bahayeng hasam jong kitai ki pulit bala pendep jing hikai bat kiwei
Delighted to be present at this passing out parade of 70 probationer Deputy Superintendent of Police from Assam and Mizoram at this prestigious academy today. This ceremony marks a significant milestone in the life of all the officers training. This is a moment of pride and achievement that you will cherish forever. I am confident that the rigorous training you have undergone has equipped you with the professional competence, physical resilience, and mental strength to excel in the face of all challenges. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. I also commend those who have earned medals and trophies today. This is a well-deserved recognition of your dedication and excellence in the various aspects of the training. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the proud parents and the family members who are present here to witness this momentous occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to Sri Danesh Rana, the Director of Northeast Police Academy, the indoor and outdoor faculty members, and the entire NEPA fraternity for their unwavering dedication in shaping the future of the policing. The training imparted to the 62 DSP probationers from Assam and 8 from Mizoram will play a crucial role not only in enhancing their physical and mental resilience, but also in their overall development as competent police officers. The rigorous outdoor training, drills, and discipline instilled in the officer trainees will undoubtedly serve them well. The benefit will be both individual and in the police administration and smart governance. Moreover, the curriculum covering law, forensics, and various other subjects has equipped them well with the knowledge needed to excel in their duties. I also appreciate the hands-on exposure given to the trainees through army engagement and visits to jail and police station. Such experience provide them with a broader understanding of practical policing. This also
a basic course culminating 50 weeks of rigorous training, both in indoor and outdoor subjects. You can see these young officers turned out smartly, basking in the glory of donning the uniform, taking their first step in the service of the nation and humanity. It is a moment of proud privilege for these officers who have been trained in the prestigious Northeastern Police Academy, which was honored with the Union Home Minister's Trophy for being the best training institution at national level in the year 2015 and 16, and again in 21 and 22. The Academy is also accredited with Utkrisht organization by Capacity Building Commission and NABET New Delhi in the year 2023. Sir, the 54th basic course comprises of 70 DSP probationers from the states of Assam and Mizoram, 62 DSPs from Assam including 19 lady officers. Similarly, 8 DSPs from Mizoram, which includes 1 lady officer. After the completion of 50 weeks training today, we have this momentous occasion of these training officers passing out from the annals of the Academy and embarked to their respective states for field training and various other attachments. During the course of their training, endeavors were made to impart all aspects of policing in them. In the indoor classes, training was given broadly in 3 categories: police science, social science, and legal studies. Pertinent to mention that the indoor syllabi keeps evolving in order to keep abreast with the latest developments, not only in the world of crime, but everything else around us. In consonance with that, emphasis was given to national security, investigation of cross-border crime, illegal immigration, cybercrime, threats posed by artificial intelligence, disaster management, and the use of social media, etc.